What's going on, guys? Alan here. In this video I'm gonna show you in just a few steps how to delete your subscribed calendars account on your iPhone or iPad. Either because you're receiving invitation or spam message in the form of notification, or simply because you want to delete a calendar that no longer interests you. Let's begin. First thing to do will be to open the setting apps and then scroll until you reach the calendar icon and open it. If you are using an iOS version lower than iOS 14, then you should open Password and Accounts instead. Now, under the Calendar section, tap on Accounts. From there, just tap the Subscribed Calendars accounts. The list of all the subscribed calendars will be displayed. Select the one that you are planning to delete, and the account details will appear on the screen. At the bottom, you will see the option to delete it. Tap it, confirm it, and that will be all. Just repeat the process if you need to delete another. If you like the video and think it's useful, consider sharing it with your friends. Or if you're interested in more content like this, just subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.